All right, we're on the record in 2025 CR 009391, 2025 CR 003573. Twenty 25 CR 009393. And I believe that covers all cases, correct?
Yes, sir.
Before.
Just before.
The other one's
Oh,
00705.
All right. There's no amendment in this then. That's all I have.
What call number that, Judge?
It's 2025 CR 007085.
I will get you.
All right. Could I have parties announced?
Michael Villarreal, State.
Matthew Allen for the defense.
All right, and are you Ms. Campion? My understanding, there's been an amendment to the plea bargain agreement. Is that correct from both sides?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Campion, if you could raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Valerie McCallum?
All right, you're aware that there has been an amendment to the plea bargain agreements?
Yes,
And did you review those amended plea bargain agreements with your attorney?
yes,
Did you understand them?
yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to follow the amended plea bargain agreements?
Yes,
And again, in each of those causes, do you understand that your right to appeal is limited to any to any pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court? Did you understand?
yes,
And counsel, again, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
And then outside the agreement, the state is still recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years. Did you understand?
yes,
Just to be clear, because as I'm printing it out, it's reflected in this, what is the sealed supplemental agreement. It's straight probation on 3 of the cases and deferred, but both is recommending for a period of 2 years. I'm not printing out 00.
And do you all wish to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have you all come back at 1:30. I need y'all to be here exactly at 1:30, and the court will proceed with sentencing.
Okay.
All right. And then, counsel, before you leave, if you all can make sure that that paperwork is as it should be. Is there anyone else ready?
Yeah, page 35 down, Judge. Waiting.
Griggs.
All right, who do you have?
Dwayne Griggs. We had filed for a competency bill.
It was a page 35 down.
I'm sorry, what is your client's name?
Dwayne Griggs.
This is not on page 3.
Oh, page 5, Judge. Page 5, Judge.
All right, so you have filed for competency?
Yes, Your Honor.
And when was that done?
A couple weeks ago, Judge.
It's taken a while for Odyssey to pull up the case. All right, Norma, if you'll set this towards the last week in December, please. I'm sorry, not last week in December, the first week in January.
Can do January 6th.
And you all will still need to make sure that you have all discovery issues solved.
Yes,
All right,
Judge.
thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, Philip Perez. All right, his attorney is not here. Norma, recall this for November 20th. We're on page 1. And the MAC will need to be here for that. Jasmine Riojas, is she here?
Yes.
You need me to push it?
What is happening with your case?
I've been given an offer, Judge. I need to file a motion to suppress, just look into a few more things.
All right, Ms. Riojas, come forward.
She's got 2 misdemeanors in capital crime, and I'm gonna get those taken care of.
Hello. Court starts at 9.
Yes.
Now, if you're late again, no chewing of gum. If you're late again, what's going to end up happening is I'm going to hear any motions that the state wants to proceed on. And usually it's either a motion to have your bond forfeited or a judge's warrant. And that means that you will be in custody if I grant that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you're saying you want a motion to suppress?
I need to file one, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, give me a date for a motion to suppress. And is it dispositive?
I know.
All right, Norma, this is a jury trial then. And it appears it's though, based upon what she's charged with, it'll be 2 days.
I can do the January 6th.
All right, your jury trial date is going to be January 6th.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Have you-
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank
And I need an acknowledgement of discovery before you leave. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And are you Ms. Battles? Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Battles, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated, 3rd or more. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, she is, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Battles, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
Honor. No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state is opposed to your application, and there's to be restitution to the complainant, if any. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your
Counsel, are there any such motions?
None, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, state offer states exhibit one and all attached.
Defense has no objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it by in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Counsel, if you want a PSI, it will be 8 to 12 weeks. And you're requesting that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I need a date for PSI and TAP evaluation, please.
It'd be January 6th.
All right, January 6th, once you sign the reset form, you speak to probation, and probation will tell you what you do from here. Make sure that you meet every appointment, because usually there are like 2 or 3 appointments. You have an appointment with probation, then you're going to have an appointment for the TAP evaluation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.